I'm Clive Humphrey, Product Manager at Vargo UK and Ireland. We've recently launched a new DIN rail mount distribution terminal for our Top Job S range. It's only 9mm wide, so it's very compact, but can distribute up to 41 amps and 800 volts. The input side will take a 6mm conductor with ferrule or 10 square mil without, and the output side can take up to 6 1.5mm conductors with ferrule or 2.5 without. All the connections are push-in cage clamp, so wiring could not be easier, whether conductors are ferruled or not. There's an integrated end plate and 2 jumper slots for commoning to another distribution terminal or to Vargo 2001 series terminals to include up to another 14 outputs. So whether your requirement for potential distribution is on a control panel or an equipment, in conjunction with a power supply or ECBs, and whatever the application, Vargo now has a compact and easy to use solution.